Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what will it be like when you fully upgrade the Coconut Coast restaurant. I hope you will like my video. So they are the proof that I already upgraded the restaurant, and now we will start playing. That's my teammate. So in general, the gameplay is quite similar to the other restaurant, but one new thing is you can put a string in the coconut and the pineapple, which is really creative, but it also cost me a fortune of rubies. I don't buy, so it will take me a lot of time to have enough diamond to upgrade all the things. I hope in the next restaurant I think it could be much harder for a non-pay player like me, but I think the developer has made the game easy enough, so even the non-play player like me can also enjoy the game. Another thing is about the candy. I don't know that they even put candy in the menu, so I can consider it a very creative way of using food. Yep, I won like usual, and thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you next time. See ya!